It's an
egg.
What's in an egg?
A chick.
And are chicks big or small?
Small.
Ah, chicks are small. Good. And chickens are
Big.
Okay, good. So we're all gonna be chicks. And then at some point we'll get in the egg like this. Okay? Good job, good job. Okay, so ready. I do it, you repeat. I'm a little chick in an egg, in an egg.
I'm a little chick in an egg, in an egg.
I'm going to be a big chicken one day.
I'm going to be a big chicken one day.
Good, okay. And then when we're in the egg, like this, we're gonna pop out a wing, okay? One wing out.
One wing out.
Shake it about.
Shake it about.
The other one free.
The other one free.
Feels good to me.
Feels good to me.
Pop up that head.
Pop up that head.
Take a peek.
Take a peek.
Do a little wiggle.
Do a little wiggle.
And cheep, cheep, cheep.
And a cheep, cheep, cheep.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I'm a little chick in an egg, in an egg. I'm gonna be a big chicken one day. I'm a little chick in an egg, in an egg. I'm gonna be a big chicken one day.
Everyone in your egg.
One wing out, shake it all about. The other one free. Feels good to me. Pop that